What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be filming a video reviewing the Labo Styling Concrete Pomade. So I'm going to be reviewing this, letting you guys know what I think about it, how I use it, how I feel about it, just an in-depth review about this product. So before we get started, like this video if you enjoy content like this and want to see more product reviews. Leave a comment down below of any products that you want me to review. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram every day. I will leave my handle right here and in the link down below. So let's get started with the review. Alright, so this product is priced at $30 and it's a pomade. It comes with 60 grams of products or 1.2 ounces in a jar. The container is glass. It's a pretty weighty glass. I mean, it's not pretty lightweight. It's something that I feel like I would keep in my bathroom counter versus traveling. And you could buy it at more high-end retailers like Saks or Nordstrom's. You could also purchase it directly from the Labo website, and that will also be linked down below. So let's talk about the claims of the products. This is straight from the website. I'm just going to read it directly. So it claims that it keeps your hair right where you want without looking wet or greasy. Warm it up, rub it in, and style to your liking. There aren't any wear claims or any sort of performance claims, so I'm gonna be the judge of that and let you guys know how I feel it would wear, because there isn't anything on the website that really speaks to that. So this product is a plant-based formula. It has linseed in it, which is going to nourish the hair. That's just going to make your hair better over time the more that you use it. It also has jojoba oil in it. That's going to give you that luster and that shine that is going to make your hair look really good and really healthy, and versus something that looks really shiny and overly like glossy and make your hair look too done. This is going to give you that natural shine that makes you look kind of effortlessly, you know, polished. Other things to note about this product is that it's paraben free, alcohol free, and it is vegan, and it's made in the US. So those are some things that are deal breakers for some people. Those are just some things that I wanted to mention in the video. As far as the actual texture of the product goes, it has this kind of like, when you put your hand in it, it has this kind of bouncy texture, almost like a cushion, and it bounces, so that means that it's very moldable and pliable. And I usually take about a dime size of the product in my fingers, then I would just rub it in, and just giving you an idea. So what I like about this product is that it actually goes on really smooth and really blends into the hand. The more that you work it though, you also can't help but notice the fragrance of it. It's a very fragrant kind of product. Before we move on to the fragrance, let's stick to the texture of it. The more that you work the product into your hands and into your hair, it has this sort of friction and it starts to get a little thicker, which is great for providing that hold and that styling capability that you want. I really like that it goes on really smooth, it blends out so that you don't get any clumps and you don't really have to work the product really hard and vigorously through your hands in order for it to work. I have other products that you really have to work in your hands in order for it to like warm up, and so it doesn't spread onto your hair unevenly, but this one actually spreads nicely onto the hands really well. From the texture, you notice the scent upon rubbing it in your hands. Like, I rinsed my hands after applying it and you really still smell it. On the website it says that it has a lavender and a bergamot scent. To me, it's very much Labo. If you don't know Labo fragrances, they have the most iconic and the most recognizable fragrances in the industry. One being, if a lot of you know about Santal 33, is one of the most famous, and if not the most famous, fragrance that they make. So they really started as a perfumery that really custom makes your fragrances right in front of you. It is made to order. Anyway, basically they're very big on fragrance. You can definitely smell that with this because it's very distinct. If you don't really care for fragrance, then this probably won't be for you, or maybe it's something that's not a really determining factor. I personally don't mind the product because I like having an air of a fragrance that I like. If it's a good scent and it's not overly dominant or doesn't interfere with like my cologne, then it's fine. But for some people it may be a little bit too much because it is very fragrant. So when I wear this product, I usually blow out my hair with a round brush. I kind of get it to this style, and basically what I do is I take that, I rub it in my hands and I run it through. What I like about it is that you can take a little bit and apply it in certain areas where you need more hold, or you could just take a smaller amount and rub it through all your hands, get a nice even clump-free finish. For me, this product really holds. I wouldn't say that it has the same hold as a matte clay or pomade. I have other pomades that maybe perform a little bit better but don't have the same factors, including fragrance. I like this fragrance better. Also like the packaging, even though there are some cons to the packaging. I also feel as this one's easier to work through my hands, because sometimes with other pomades or clays, I can work it through my hands and it takes what seems like years to really get warmed up in my hands so that it doesn't clump in my hair when I'm running it through with my fingers. So there's different things to consider. However, it does wear for me throughout the day. It doesn't hold my hair up as long as I would like to. Just do that with hairspray, but again, I would get like a few hours wear out of this and hold. If you've ever tried it in a more warmer climate, leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked it in that environment. So some cons about this product is that number one, it may be a little bit too fragrant for some people. With this one, it's very much a fragrant product, and that may be something that you consider or something you may not take into consideration at all. So it just really depends. So I thought that was one possible con for some people. The packaging. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I think if you put this in your bathroom vanity, in your bedroom, wherever you put your grooming products out. However, if traveling, this is glass, and if you drop it, it may or may not break depending on, you know, the impact of the drop. I personally have other products like facial cleansers and more high-end items. They tend to be glass, which for me is fine because usually these kinds of products you don't really travel with, but I travel enough to know that I may drop it, especially in places where I don't know how much space I have, that sort of thing. So I just really preferred if this product was not glass, only because I do travel quite a bit and I want something that if it drops, it will be fine. All right, you guys, so that is my review. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think about this product. Let me know what your favorite pomade or clay is in the comments down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm always on Instagram. I post almost every day. Also, let me know if you guys have any video suggestions or things you want to see on this channel. Leave some comments down below because I'm always looking for suggestions and any sort of video ideas from you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.